interpret information, intervention strategy, intimately familiar, intravenous administration, intravenous fluid, intricate pattern, intriguing possibility, intrinsic property, invasive plant, invest money, invest time, investigate further, investigation analysis, investigative work, investment program, ion current, iron ore, iron will, iron element, iron store, issue statement, jet plane, job opportunity, job hunt, job hunting, join group, join union, joint project, joint institute, joint effort, joint operation, joint meeting, joint assessment, journalist report, judicial proceeding, just reach, just take, just add, just find, just wait, just jealous, just require, keep safe, keep fit, keep health, keep order, keep watch, key player, key criterion, key position, key process, key target, keyword, key task, key contributor, keynote, key approach, key skill, key unlock, key provision, key importance, key measure, key insight, keynote, key development, kickoff, kidney failure, kidney cell, kidney cancer, kill bacteria, kill virus, kilowatt hour, kind behavior, know precisely, knowledge base, knowledge structure, knowledge experience, knowledge creation, lab research, laboratory study, laboratory scale, laboratory simulation, laboratory research, laboratory environment, lack information, lack equipment, lakeshore, land mammal, land right, land rights, landing area, language change, language usage, language interpreter, language variation, language expert, language knowledge, language proficiency, language competence, large set, large family, large role, large force, large class, large impact, large window, large earthquake, large telescope, large array, large amplitude, large bag, large contribution, large dose, large pocket, large event, large cage, large angle, large screen, large fraction, large platform, large radius, largely independent, largely absent, largely related, laser pulse, laser light, laser spectroscopy, last quarter, last step, last summer, last piece, last term, last phase, last appearance, last event, lasting effect, late antiquity, late night, late teens, later stage, lateral view, lateral thinking, ladder case, launch satellite, launch investigation, launch plan, law school, law review, law faculty, lawsuit file, lead author, lead scientist, lead party, lead project, lead researcher, lead concentration, lead way, lead group, leader meet, leader member, leadership group, leadership program, leap forward, learn history, learn skill, learning algorithm, least education, leave college, left brain, left hand, left column, left corner, legal limit, legal basis, legal practice, legal process, legal reason, legal principle, legal question, legal safeguard, legal assistant, legal ground, legal grounds, lend support, less creative, less vulnerable, less tolerant, less sophisticated, less active, less money, less susceptible, less extreme, less hour, lethal dose, level match, level fall, life insurance, life balance, life experience, life save, life lesson, life sciences, life habit, life issue, lifestyle, lifestyle choice, lifetime chance, light bulb, light wave, light filter, light pollution, light speed, light pulse, light green, light again, light frequency, light illumination, light image, light microscopy, light information, light shine, light point, lightning rod, likely cause, likely survive, likely become, likely face, likely outcome, likely increase, likely involve, limit value, limit amount, limit temperature, limited ability, limited value, limited opportunity, limited funding, limited size, limited sample, limited capacity, limited knowledge, limited time, limited control, line mark, line drawing, line graph, line style, linear accelerator, linear model, linear analysis, linguistic ability, linguistic structure, link work, liquid gas, liquid helium, list number, list type, listen intently, literacy campaign, literal representation, literature database, little improvement, little knowledge, little detail, little chance, little change, little incentive, little benefit, live alone, live broadcast, live virus, live vaccine, live part, liver cell, liver disease, liver failure, living animal, living relative, living body, living facility, load analysis, local assembly, local state, local level, local scale, local club, local department, local hospital, local distribution, local energy, local model, local transfer, local temperature, location information, location control, logic operation, logic device, logic thinking, logical operation, logical consistency, logical extension, logical structure, logical method, logical process, logical representation, logically consistent, lonely road, long range, long tradition, long axis, long chain, long exist, long series, long walk, long lifetime, long jump, long tail, long wavelength, long development, long fight, long survive, long shadow, long string, long work, look beautiful, look photograph, look inside, look page, lose structure, lose meaning, lose contact, lose energy, lose heat, lose leg, lost cause, lost time, loud noise, love travel, low concentration, low energy, low layer, low resolution, low percentage, low dose, low intensity, low performance, low calorie, low coverage, low noise, low key, low alcohol, low entropy, low orbit, low elevation, low protein, lower rate, lower level, lower risk, lower standard, lunar mission, lung tissue, lung damage, lung injury, machine learning, machine structure, machine parameter, mad cow, mad people, magazine article, magazine editor, magic bullet, magic formula, magnetic state, magnetic strength, magnetic structure, magnetic stimulation, magnetic tape, magnetic memory, magnetic storage, magnetic material, magnetic sensor, magnitude earthquake, main type, main focus, main language, main branch, main concept, main structure, main advantage, main channel, main limitation, main criterion, main flow, main ingredient, main story, main crop, main building, main material, main event, mainly because, mainly reflect, mainstream media, maintain health, maintain system, maintenance repair, major threat, major country, major contribution, major loss, major type, major aspect, major policy, major branch, major center, major consideration, major obstacle, major species, major asset, major impediment, major producer, major driver, major bottleneck, major difference, majority rule, make appointment, make judgment, make leap, make story, make adjustment, make copy, make proposal, make suggestion, make innovation, make achievement, make design, make model, make movement, make exception, make fuss, make subject, make trouble, make check, make policy, make report, make scene, male colleague, male fish, male fertility, male lion, male human, male mouse, malpractice insurance, mammal species, mammalian cell, manage access, manage finance, management agency, management institute, manipulation method, many example, many activity, many city, many reason, many variety, map image, map network, map function, marine life, marine ecosystem, marine mammal, marine science, marine biology, mark change, mark line, mark system, mark box, markedly improve, market pricing, market work, marketing people, marketing theory, marriage partner, mass spectrometry, mass destruction, mass vaccination, mass campaign, mass spectra, mass spectroscopy, mass loss, mass information, massive amount, massive object, massive increase, massive number, massive scale, master degree, matching test, material culture, material science, material system, material availability, material experiment, material engineering, material science, materials technology, maternal mortality, mathematical research, mathematical model, mathematical reasoning, mathematical relationship, mathematical science, mathematical knowledge, mathematical physics, matrix approach, mature female, mature woman, mature male, maximal value, maximize efficiency, maximum diameter, maximum benefit, maximum energy, maximum power, maximum record, maximum peak, mean age, mean value, mean temperature, mean deviation, meaningful experience, measure speed, measure temperature, measure distance, measure change, measure effect, measure performance, measure power, measure precision, measure angle, measure flow, measure circuit, measure technology, measurement system, measurement error, measurement unit, measurement method, measurement design, measurement noise, measurement signal, measuring circuit, mechanism control, media coverage, medical institute, medical device, medical treatment, medical worker, medical diagnosis, medical sciences, medical assistant, medical association, medical college, medical expert, medical facility, medical technology, medical aid, medical attention, medical intervention, medical advance, medical leave, medical officer, medical technician, medical university, medical prescription, medical ethics, medical need, medical academy, medical action, medical imaging, Medicare system, medicine science, medicine school, medicine practice, medicine development, medieval world, meet people, meet place, memory device, memory function, memory test, memory store, memory work, memory formation, memory type, mental function, mental ability, mental condition, mental decline, mental disorder, mental skill, mental content, mental shift, mental control, mental development, mental exercise, mental stamina, mental task, mental fitness, mental effect, mental functioning, mental performance, mental life, mental burden, mental support, mentally stimulating, mere existence, merely reflect, message board, messenger RNA, metabolic control, metal oxide, metaphorical way, methodical way, microwave, microwave frequency, microwave power, microwave heating, microwave background, microwave measurement, middle layer, middle range, middle childhood, migrate south, mild condition, military aircraft, military plane, military science, mind state, minded people, minded man, mineral exploration, minimal maintenance, minimal change, minimize damage, minimum space, minimum distance, minimum cover, minimum value, minimum point, ministry official, minor point, minority group, minority student, mirror image, mislead public, mission space, mix together, mix water, mobile operator, mobile computing, mode system, mode analysis, mode structure, model study, model parameter, model system, model analysis, model law, model simulation, model boat, model choice, model evaluation, model framework, model output, model performance, model prediction, model project, model plane, model technique, modeling technique, modeling framework, moderate exercise, modern art, modern industry, modern economics, modern physics, modern communication, modern form, modern scientist, modern version, modern electronic, modest proposal, modification effect, modular system, modulation effect, modulation signal, molecular structure, molecular biology, molecular biologist, molecular level, molecular engineering, molecule structure, momentum transfer, momentum conservation, monetary policy, monitor change, monitor level, monitoring group, mononuclear cell, mood state, mood disorder, mood boost, moral obligation, more frequent, more emotional, more fundamental, more responsible, more favorable, more independent, more meaningful, more rigorous, more compact, more detail, more dependent, more food, more persuasive, more prevalent, more prominent, more rapid, more realistic, more rewarding, more lethal, more plausible, more demanding, more interest, more youthful, more approachable, more company, more concentrated, more concrete, more convincing, more engaging, more essential, more excited, more exercise, more patient, more reliant, more troublesome, more visual, more artificial, more responsive, more amusing, more charitable, more expansive, more insight, more perplexing, more pleasure, more plentiful, more proficient, more competition, more distant, more exotic, more balanced, mosquito net, most abundant, most essential, most intelligent, most woman, most advantageous, most damaging, most extraordinary, most remarkable, most vital, most affect, most creative, most man, most distinctive, most individual, most radical, most troubling, most elusive, most infectious, most severe, most affected, motion device, motor system, mountain village, mouse embryo, move quickly, move line, move area, move outward, move backward, much easy, much difference, much further, much argument, much knowledge, much detail, multi-channel, multiple component, multiple stage, multiple instance, multiple device, multiple event, multiple scale, multiple test, multiple frequency, multiple unit, municipal project, muscle cell, muscle contraction, muscle development, muscle strength, muscle fiber, muscle protein, music lover, music composer, musical composition, musical note, musical piece, musical intelligence, Muslim world, mutation rate, mutual trust, mutual interaction, naked truth, narrow band, narrow sense, narrow scope, narrow interest, narrow distribution, nasal spray, natal care, national agency, national border, national level, national scale, national law, national press, national competition, national library, national plan, national prosperity, national team, national disgrace, national infrastructure, national fund, national radio, national strategy, national goal, national review, native habitat, natural protein, natural gas, natural way, natural course, natural response, natural approach, natural explanation, natural ability, natural cultural, natural reaction, natural color, natural resources, natural water, natural result, natural shape, nature law, nature protection, near station, near neighbor, near extinction, near shore, nearby star, nearby forest, nearly bankrupt, nearly constant, nearly uniform, necessarily involve, necessary part, necessary control, need water, need evidence, need something, negative mood, negative charge, negative correlation, negative tone, negative voltage, neither be, nervous energy, network, net income, network analysis, network technology, network center, network science, neural network, neural mechanism, neural cell, neural crest, neural tube, neuronal activity, neuronal death, neuronal cell, neuroscience research, neurotrophic factor, never think, never do, never realize, never try, never encounter, never come, new theory, new vaccine, new tool, new conclusion, new practice, new kind, new agency, new insight, new phase, new task, new treatment, new voice, new application, new avenue, new collection, new discovery, new epidemic, new experiment, new journal, new language, new line, new meaning, new priority, new result, new scene, new situation, new target, new threat, new agreement, new characteristic, new variant, new land, new channel, new course, new cycle, new datum, new device, new explanation, new feature, new film, new finding, new hire, new hope, new opening, new platform, new proposal, new resource, new understanding, new view, new gene, new outbreak, new piece, new subscription, new attempt, new component, new post, new stage, newborn lamb, newly invent, news release, news feature, news organization, news event, newspaper article, newspaper editor, next one, next frontier, next door, next morning, next page, next summer, next cycle, next challenge, next turn, next pandemic, next milestone, next train, nice people, nice trip, night vision, nitrogen fertilizer, noise ratio, noise measurement, noisy environment, noisy channel, nonlinear process, nonverbal communication, normal process, normal life, normal time, normal breathing, normal condition, normal level, normal routine, normal practice, normal tissue, normal value, normal cell, north coast, northern region, northern section, notable example, notably absent, notebook, noticeable difference, notoriously difficult, novel solution, now leave, now realize, nuclear power, nuclear reactor, nuclear fusion, nuclear war, nuclear threat, nucleic acid, number sequence, numerical simulation, numerical value, nursing home, nurture talent, oak tree, obesity rate, object surface, objective analysis, observation model, observational study, observe change, observe directly, obvious difference, obvious change, obvious example, occur frequently, occur simultaneously, ocean circulation, ocean ecosystem, ocean surface, ocean basin, oceanic administration, odd number, off target, off track, offer benefit, offer opinion, offer possibility, offer money, offer perspective, office building, office program, office procedure, official figure, official date, official estimate, official policy, official report, official account, often appear, oil gas, oil well, oil drilling, oil field, old system, old woman, old world, old film, old type, old pattern, Olympic game, Olympic Games, once discover, one evening, ongoing process, online voting, online debate, online system, online subscription, online event, online visit, only approach, only effect, only exception, only face, only field, only method, only information, only person, only program, only place, only product, only system, open design, open ocean, open possibility, open border, open environment, opera singer, operating space, operation analysis, opportunity study, opposite conclusion, optic cable, optical frequency, optical fiber, optical spectrum, optical characteristic, optical microscopy, optimistic view, optimum time, orbital period, orchestral music, order number, order time, organ transplant, organ system, organic chemistry, organic semiconductor, organic synthesis, organic reaction, organic chemist, organization form, organization ability, organization arrangement, original work, original draft, original idea, original painting, original sense, original text, original standard, original course, original process, original study, originally name, originally plan, oscillation frequency, other research, other device, other event, other question, other program, other reason, other goal, other guy, other being, other category, other direction, other explanation, other guest, other pattern, other subject, other media, outer membrane, outer diameter, outermost layer, outgoing call, output increase, output signal, output current, output function, output prediction, output value, output channel, outright fraud, outstanding contribution, outward appearance, outweigh cost, overall structure, overall capacity, overall distribution, overall architecture, overall pattern, overall sense, overcast day, overcome challenge, overcome fear, overcome obstacle, overcome limit, overly sensitive, oversight board, own plan, own account, own child, own community, own concept, own mind, own question, ozone layer, paintbrush, pale green, pale purple, palm size, paper material, paper card, paper report, paper towel, paradigm shift, parallel line, parallel connection, paramount importance, parasite infection, parasitic infection, parliament approve, parliamentary committee, partial replacement, partially responsible, particle accelerator, particle physics, particle detector, particle size, particular object, particular kind, particular region, particular emphasis, particular structure, particular society, particular cause, particular experience, particular way, particular mode, particularly active, particularly surprising, particularly interested, particularly powerful, particularly anxious, particularly clever, particularly critical, particularly affect, particularly promising, partly base, past test, pass away, passing day, past tense, past spring, past week, patent application, pathogenic mechanism, pathological analysis, pathological feature, patient experience, patient safety, patient care, patient respond, pay premium, pay rate, peak strength, peak frequency, peak level, peak load, peak intensity, peak temperature, pediatric patient, pediatric surgery, pension system, people queue, people judge, people obtain, perennial plant, perfect knowledge, perfect environment, perfect solution, perfect technology, perfect age, perfectly acceptable, perform test, perform poorly, perform research, perform act, perform operation, perform together, performance requirement, performance stability, perfume bottle, peripheral nerve, permanent settlement, person try, person name, personal goal, personal preference, personal reflection, personal situation, personal belief, personal way, personal comfort, personal habit, personal privacy, personality behavior, pet trait, pharmaceutical factory, pharmaceutical sciences, pharmacological action, pharmacy chain, philosophical perspective, philosophical idea, philosophy science, phone number, phone booth, photoelectric effect, photon emission, photovoltaic technology, phylogenetic analysis, physical phenomenon, physical contact, physical barrier, physical state, physical society, physical system, physical reality, physical chemistry, physical universe, physical location, physical response, physical effect, physical exercise, physical surroundings, physical principle, physical field, physical function, physical life, physical meaning, physical theory, physics chemistry, physics science, physics biology, physics laboratory, physics institute, physiological effect, physiological function, physiological reaction, pilot study, pilot test, pilot program, pineal gland, pink light, pituitary gland, place position, plain sight, plain water, plan show, plan phase, plane system, planet Venus, planet Earth, planetary scale, planetary body, planetary science, planetary motion, plant disease, plant type, plant biology, plastic bag, play card, plot line, poetry collection, point size, poisonous plant, polar region, policy planning, policy expert, policy institute, policy failure, polio vaccine, polio vaccination, political community, political philosophy, political struggle, political bias, political controversy, political ideological, poll show, pollute water, polluted water, poor quality, poor state, poor ability, poor choice, poor outcome, pop star, popular culture, popular music, popular tool, popular area, popular assumption, popular figure, popular writing, population movement, population mobility, population distribution, population migration, population flow, pose question, position change, positive aspect, positive mood, positive thinking, positive charge, positive selection, positive value, positive response, positive sense, positive word, positive bias, positive case, positive people, possess talent, possible explanation, possible mechanism, possible route, possible source, possible method, possible response, possible target, possible role, possible location, possible pathway, possible position, possible combination, postdoctoral fellow, potential impact, potential cause, potential harm, potential use, potential target, potential risk, potential user, potential complication, potential role, potential contribution, potential project, potential study, potential field, potential treatment, potentially fatal, potentially serious, potentially hazardous, potentially lethal, potentially useful, potentially cause, potentially large, poor concrete, power output, power station, power efficiency, power requirement, powerful tool, powerful approach, powerful computer, powerful telescope, powerful combination, powerful laser, powerful speech, powerful response, practical problem, practical impact, practical implication, practical support, practical question, practically important, practice medicine, practice test, practice pattern, precious opportunity, precious moment, precise measurement, precise control, precise analysis, precise process, precise point, precisely measure, precision instrument, predict model, predict effect, prediction error, predominant role, preferential flow, pregnant woman, preliminary result, prenatal exposure, prepare ahead, prepared mind, present research, present view, present situation, present address, present state, present way, present work, present life, present period, presently available, presidential candidate, presidential debate, press report, press time, press forward, pressure level, pressure problem, prestigious award, pretty good, pretty much, pretty bad, pretty picture, pretty small, prevent infection, prevent erosion, prevent damage, prevent illness, prevent spread, prevent transmission, prevent misuse, preventable disease, prevention diagnosis, prevention treatment, preventive strategy, preventive treatment, previous work, previous generation, previous day, previous experiment, previous finding, previous event, previous stage, previously report, previously know, price range, primary driver, primary function, primary means, prime candidate, primitive state, principal investigator, principal design, principal theory, print book, prior work, prior study, privacy concern, private firm, private room, private capital, prize money, prize competition, probability distribution, probably due, probably because, probe system, probe test, probe type, problem people, process work, process cycle, processing unit, processing capability, processing application, processing capacity, produce effect, produce image, produce energy, produce gain, produce hormone, produce wealth, produce gas, produce noise, product availability, product code, product distribution, product research, product value, product analysis, product upgrade, product yield, production increase, production factor, professional development, professional teacher, professional association, professional field, professional singer, professional body, professor emeritus, professor physics, profound change, profound question, profoundly important, program manager, program file, project code, project meeting, project task, prolonged life, prolonged period, prolonged exposure, prominent example, promising start, promising solution, promote idea, promote research, promote stability, promote cooperation, promote efficiency, promote progress, prone area, proper training, proper place, proper name, proper technique, property relationship, property risk, prospective study, protect land, protection law, protection organization, protective equipment, protective role, protective efficacy, protective gear, protective mechanism, protective function, protective immunity, protein expression, protein composition, protein degradation, protein engineering, protein sequence, protein structure, protein gene, prove crucial, prove effective, provide sample, provide explanation, provide feedback, provide context, provide resource, provide stability, provide employment, provide care, provide funding, provide proof, provide financing, provisional application, psychiatric disorder, psychiatric illness, psychological association, psychological test, psychological reality, psychological trait, psychological research, psychological training, public confidence, public opinion, public understanding, public work, public attention, public consciousness, public money, public perception, public trust, public agency, public issue, public image, public participation, public response, public speaking, public support, public view, public session, public comment, public ridicule, public college, public election, publicly discuss, publish article, publish story, publish detail, pull back, pulse pressure, pulse source, pulse frequency, pulse laser, punch hole, purely physical, purely theoretical, pursue science, push forward, qualitative method, qualitatively different, quality score, quality test, quantitative information, quantum computer, quantum computing, quantum theory, quantum phase, quantum physics, quantum effect, quantum efficiency, quantum tunneling, quantum mechanics, quantum calculation, quantum field, quantum number, quench thirst, question exist, question research, question time, quick fix, quick way, quick answer, quick solution, quick reply, quickly grasp, quickly identify, quickly run, quickly react, quickly generate, quiet neighborhood, quiet revolution, quiet people, quite difficult, quite distinct, quite stable, quite close, quite important, quite amazing, quite active, quite small, racial group, radiation source, radiation damage, radiation therapy, radiation level, radical idea, radically different, radio signal, radio telescope, radio astronomy, rainforest, rainwater, raise risk, raise pay, raise eyebrow, raise flag, raise family, random selection, random number, random series, random drift, random mutation, random access, randomized trial, randomly select, range value, ranked test, rapid assessment, rapid response, rapid progress, rapid deployment, rapid emergence, rapidly develop, rapidly evolve, rare event, rare condition, rare instance, rate decrease, rate condition, rather different, rather straightforward, rating system, raw image, ray tube, ray emission, ray beam, reach stage, reach adulthood, reach end, reaction condition, read article, read text, read code, read fiction, read novel, read paragraph, reading ability, ready access, real concern, real money, real culprit, real challenge, real business, real evidence, real deal, real goal, real knowledge, real question, real nature, real object, real prospect, real drag, real material, realistic picture, realistic model, really cool, really have, really important, really bad, really believe, really big, really need, really surprising, really similar, really short, really creative, really challenging, really find, reason result, reasonable assumption, reasonable price, reasonably good, reasonably accurate, reasonably high, recall name, receive approval, receive attention, receive signal, receive acceptance, receive email, recent month, recent outbreak, recent discovery, recent paper, recent article, recent book, recent invention, recent investigation, recent progress, recently discover, recently report, recently release, recently spend, recite poem, recognition software, record information, recovery work, red light, red point, red circle, red color, red cell, red box, red flag, red hair, red area, red text, reduce anxiety, reduce exposure, reduce incidence, reduce resistance, reduce weight, reduce capacity, reduce death, reduce intake, reduce power, reduce rate, reduce operation, reduce likelihood, reduce threat, reduce waste, reduce temperature, reduction behavior, reference frame, reference guide, reference system, reference material, reference sample, reference book, regenerative medicine, regional center, register trademark, regression test, regular exercise, regular interval, regular contact, regular pattern, regular rate, regular update, regulate behavior, regulation research, regulatory effect, reinforce idea, reject suggestion, related problem, related disease, related species, related information, related change, related issue, related science, related work, related gene, related concept, related experience, related study, related question, related report, related support, relation expression, relationship trust, relationship maintenance, relative abundance, relative concentration, relative phase, relative strength, relative ease, relative level, relative humidity, relative change, relatively flat, relatively rare, relatively unknown, relatively constant, relatively brief, relatively dry, relatively uniform, relatively close, relatively cool, relatively uncommon, relatively big, relativity theory, relaxation time, relaxation process, relaxed state, release process, release hormone, relevant factor, relevant evidence, reliable product, reliable supply, reliable guide, reliable system, relieve pressure, religion culture, religious belief, religious tradition, religious cultural, remain neutral, remain place, remain free, remarkable achievement, remarkable improvement, remember detail, remote place, remote system, remove air, renowned artist, rent system, repair job, repeat process, repeat again, repeatedly show, repetition rate, replace method, replenish water, report loss, report work, report include, report generation, report online, report declare, report recommend, represent future, representation model, reproduce well, reproductive biology, reproductive medicine, repulsive force, request form, request meeting, require work, require maintenance, require approval, rescue plan, rescue team, research articles, research program, research support, research institution, research university, research fund, research station, research career, research experience, research way, research firm, research funding, research grant, research perspective, research innovation, research professor, research student, research subject, research assistant, research collaboration, research fellow, research lab, research organization, research technique, research tool, research data, research fellowship, research division, research domain, research job, research model, research office, research trend, research orient, research value, research administration, research course, research system, research programs, researcher report, researcher show, reservoir dam, resist temptation, resist disease, resistance value, resistance strain, resonance energy, resource center, resource department, resource protection, resource science, resources institute, resources department, respiratory syndrome, respiratory disease, respiratory illness, respond promptly, response signal, response system, response protocol, responsive element, rest stop, restoration plan, restore health, restricted access, result demonstrate, result indicate, result confirm, result reveal, result value, retain talent, return period, reuse plastic, reverse bias, review process, review research, review application, review board, review suggest, revolutionary idea, reward system, rheumatoid arthritis, rich mixture, rich region, rich food, rich red, rich life, right hand, right place, right column, right corner, right brain, right approach, rights holder, rigid body, rigid structure, rigorous study, rigorous analysis, rigorous testing, ripe fruit, ripple effect, rise sharply, rise higher, risk factor, risk score, risk assessment, risk death, risk evaluation, risk population, risk investment, risk life, risk problem, river flood, river basin, road vehicle, robust control, rock back, rock group, rock surface, rock climber, rock sample, rock face, rock formation, rock soil, roll consciousness, roof collapse, room window, root system, root grow, rotation period, rotation rate, rotten wood, rough ride, round number, route design, route change, routine care, row number, royal palace, rule base, rule allow, run backwards, run program, run project, run machine, safely reach, safety prevention, safety check, Salt Lake, same law, same sort, same word, same state, same argument, same channel, same drug, same region, same situation, same concern, same conclusion, same frequency, same meaning, same page, same quality, same schedule, same shape, same study, same capability, same cluster, same design, same device, same evidence, same layout, same mechanism, same performance, same trajectory, same trend, same scenario, sample size, sample volume, sample test, sample period, sample preparation, sandwich structure, satellite communication, satellite system, satellite orbit, satellite technology, satisfying work, satisfying job, save planet, save system, saw blade, scale back, scale increase, scale project, scale analysis, scale operation, scale factor, scan technology, scan image, scatter plot, scene change, schematic representation, schematic diagram, scheme work, school work, science center, science journalist, science institute, science community, science discipline, science journalism, science writer, science course, science project, science work, science advisor, science knowledge, science base, science philosophy, science program, science division, science activity, science book, science field, science magazine, science museum, science prize, science fair, science funding, science journal, science report, science administration, science award, science system, science world, science writing, scientific theory, scientific revolution, scientific literature, scientific discovery, scientific organization, scientific society, scientific debate, scientific enterprise, scientific idea, scientific background, scientific advisor, scientific discipline, scientific principle, scientific talent, scientific consensus, scientific experiment, scientific expertise, scientific information, scientific paper, scientific thought, scientific training, scientific instrument, scientific meaning, scientific question, scientific mind, scientific problem, scientific fact, scientific creativity, scientific institution, scientific meeting, scientific misconduct, scientific counsel, scientific definition, scientific perspective, scientific practice, scientific subject, scientific testing, scientific application, scientific collaboration, scientific cooperation, scientist suggest, scientist claim, scientist observe, scientist propose, scientist research, SCO reflect, screen surface, screen test, screen area, screening test, sea fish, sea life, sea surface, sea basin, search code, search everywhere, search team, seaside holiday, second part, second cause, second element, second phase, second time, secondary phase, secondary succession, secretary general, secure location, security issue, security concern, security agency, security technology, security advisor, security cooperation, security strategy, security measure, security risk, sedimentary deposit, see people, see doctor, seek advice, seek food, seek answer, seek explanation, seek shelter, seem likely, seem mean, seem normal, seemingly endless, seemingly small, seemingly minor, seismic wave, select product, select committee, select target, self-administration, self-control, self-esteem, self-observation, self-efficacy, self-criticism, self-governance, self-motivate, self-delusion, self-renewal, self-drive, self-fulfillment, self-knowledge, self-deception, self-financing, self-service, semiconductor device, seminal work, seminar room, send letter, send information, send mail, senior scientist, senior advisor, senior editor, senior researcher, sensitive period, sensitive issue, sensitive detector, sensitive phase, sensitive nature, sensitive subject, sensitive factor, sensitivity test, sensory system, sensory experience, sentence B, sentence death, separate discipline, separate area, separate container, separate study, separate device, separate object, separately present, separation mode, sequence number, sequence analysis, sequencing analysis, series connection, series resistance, series number, serious illness, serious risk, serious challenge, serious consequence, serious injury, serious deficit, serious obstacle, serious violation, serious argument, serious research, serious life, seriously ill, seriously disrupt, serve public, service support, service communication, settle dispute, several feature, several week, severe impact, severe case, severe disease, severe infection, severe damage, severe disruption, severe illness, severe drought, severe inflammation, severely ill, severely affect, severely limited, sewage system, sewage effluent, sex chromosome, sex difference, sexually mature, shade tree, shade feature, share information, share view, sharing model, sharp image, sharp peak, sharp tool, sharp contraction, sharp sense, sharply decrease, shelf life, shift gear, shift mode, short pulse, short path, short burst, short course, short notice, short stories, short range, short history, short series, short supply, short circuit, short fiction, short stature, short word, shorten life, shoulder injury, shoulder pain, shoulder joint, show difference, show evidence, show pattern, show promise, show feature, show way, show importance, show picture, show potential, show support, show status, show need, shut eye, sick people, sidestep, side view, sign agreement, sign language, signal detection, signal noise, signal pathway, signal pulse, signal theory, signal process, signal amplification, signal intensity, signal display, signal light, significant shift, significant challenge, significant cause, significant element, significant decrease, significant drop, significantly high, Silicon Valley, similar result, similar level, similar condition, similar number, similar finding, similar structure, similar trend, similar experiment, similar response, similar age, similar manner, similar quality, similar shape, similar task, similar analysis, similar conclusion, similar amount, similar feature, similar state, simple story, simple theory, simple change, simple explanation, simple decision, simple error, simple step, simple structure, simple thing, simple test, simply need, simply ignore, single cell, single neuron, single atom, single electron, single pulse, single photon, single female, single collection, single particle, single crystal, single dose, single frequency, single copy, single task, single tone, single combat, single aspect, single chain, single color, single command, single dimension, single feature, single structure, site link, size limit, skill test, skin color, slave labor, slight change, slightly high, slightly low, slightly increase, slightly warm, slightly disappointed, slow motion, slow grow, slowly increase, slowly move, small band, small particle, small child, small club, small container, small family, small mammal, small operation, small proportion, small pocket, small ant, small contribution, small impact, small majority, small pool, small intestine, small packet, small deviation, small probability, small segment, smart people, smart person, smoking habit, sneaky way, so fine, so simple, so complex, so lucky, so faint, so funny, so stick, so active, so dynamic, so intelligent, so typical, so enthusiastic, so extreme, so let, so necessary, so scary, so unclear, so essential, so appealing, so damned, so terrifying, so thirsty, so careful, so pleased, soccer field, social learning, social animal, social class, social phenomenon, social bonding, social cohesion, social hierarchy, social relationship, social rule, social identity, social process, social type, social care, social cognition, social benefit, social circle, social connection, social information, social site, social intervention, social nature, social time, society develop, society building, society science, soft cushion, soft chair, software package, software work, soil quality, soil particle, soil formation, soil degradation, soil type, soil scientist, soil structure, soil loss, soil resource, solar cell, solar radiation, solar power, solar cycle, solar activity, sole survivor, solid line, somehow get, someone else, something unusual, something new, sophisticated technology, sorely need, sound alarm, sound silly, sound right, sound simple, sound footing, source water, source code, South Pacific, South Pole, space probe, space telescope, space dust, space mission, space physics, space debris, space suit, space science, space study, space charge, span structure, Spanish government, spatial distribution, spatial reasoning, spatial scale, spatial dimension, spatial information, spatial model, spatial awareness, speak time, speak French, speak openly, speak well, special skill, special filter, special number, special ability, special knowledge, special report, special session, special target, special zone, special thanks, special cause, special thank, special relativity, specialized knowledge, specialized field, species diversity, species name, species survive, specific skill, specific marker, specific gene, specific activity, specific meaning, specific problem, specific word, specific part, specific region, specific combination, specific object, specific pattern, specific process, specific circumstance, specific mechanism, specific action, specific expression, specific set, specific instance, specific nature, specific target, specific day, specific idea, specific manner, specific person, specific response, specific route, specific statement, specific link, specific targeting, specifically target, specified time, spectacular image, spectral resolution, spectral response, spectrum feature, speculative fiction, speech recognition, speed measurement, speed change, spinal cord, spiritual practice, spiritual being, spontaneous emission, spontaneous process, spontaneous potential, sport performance, sport team, sport science, spray nozzle, spread risk, square deviation, stability test, stability condition, stable state, stable structure, stack structure, staff member, staff position, stage plan, stamp collecting, standard model, standard language, standard test, standard error, standard procedure, standard length, standard requirement, standard research, standardized system, star rating, stark contrast, stark reminder, start point, start time, starting point, state official, state policy, state property, state's government, static system, station staff, stationary frame, statistical significance, statistical evidence, statistical error, statistical process, stay healthy, stay active, stay execution, stay night, stay abreast, stay abroad, stay late, steady improvement, steady supply, stealth technology, stealth aircraft, steam engine, steering wheel, step analysis, sticky substance, still see, still go, still manage, still believe, still young, still able, still seem, still painful, still unresolved, stimulate innovation, stimulate brain, stock market, stone structure, storage capacity, storage system, storage control, store information, store process, story begin, storyteller, story writer, straight line, straight month, straightforward task, strain behavior, strange sound, strategic leadership, strategy plan, strategy target, street lighting, strength level, strength training, strength endurance, stress hormone, stress level, strict sense, strict adherence, strictly protect, striking feature, striking contrast, string quartet, strong response, strong evidence, strong field, strong focus, strong support, strong interaction, strong reaction, strong wind, strong association, strong bond, strong awareness, strong light, strong contrast, strong curiosity, strong push, strong backing, strongly suggest, strongly correlate, strongly support, strongly dependent, strongly affect, structural component, structural biology, structural property, structural engineer, structural feature, structural characterization, structural analysis, structural protein, structure feature, structure base, structure design, structure stability, structured approach, student interaction, student travel, study explore, study result, study increase, study subject, study abroad, study business, study form, study law, study mathematics, study analysis, study material, study physics, study atmosphere, study model, study activity, study course, study science. Sublevel, subatomic particle, subjective experience, subjective response, submit request, subsequent investigation, subsequent change, subsequent period, substance use, substantial impact, substantial amount, substantial change, substantial cost, substantial progress, substantial effect, substantial shift, substantial interest, substantially reduce, substantially improve, substantially increase. Subtle effect, subtle distinction, subtle influence, suburban area, successful artist, successful treatment, successful performance, successfully pass, such evidence, such behavior, such influence, such practice, such service, such variation, such device, such case, such deal, such type, such ability, such controversy, such goal, such therapy, suddenly ask, suffer illness, sufficient energy, sufficient scale, sugar water, suitable level, suitable place, suitable way. Some number, summer program, summer time, summer internship, sunset, superconducting magnet, superior skill, supplemental material, supplementary material, supply demand, supply model, supply equipment, supply source, support role, support program, support fund, support plan, support service, support strategy, support code, support office, support model, support project, support machine, support program, support center, support work, support services, support degree, support department. Surface structure, surprising finding, surprising number, surprisingly low, surprisingly common, surveillance system, survey reveal, survival rate, survival analysis, survive well. Susceptible population, sustainable management, sustainable strategy, sweat gland, sweep away, switch state, syndrome virus, system development, system science, system approach, system application, system model, systematic approach, systematic analysis, systematic assessment, systematic learning, systematic science, systemic change, systemic infection, systemic inflammation. Tackle challenge, take course, take breath, take position, take delivery, take precaution, take temperature, take train, target domain, target region, target signal, target population, target identification, target recognition, target area, target selection, target therapy, taste good, taste food, tax credit, tax incentive, teach course, teach method, team build, team leader, team worker, team support, tech firm, tech progress, technical assistance, technical object, technical term, technical university, technical research, technical college, technical capacity, technically correct, technique measure, technique work, technological progress, technological fix, technology engineering, technology institute, technology center, technology model, technology work, television radio, television set, tell difference, telltale sign, temperature gradient, temperature decrease, temperature scale, temporal scale, temporal variability, terminal velocity, terrestrial life, test measure, test result, test performance, test range, test model, test process, test device, test subject, test sample, test function, test machine, test quality, test validity. Test center, test curve, testing ground, testing phase, text message, text translation, thank God, theoretical analysis, theoretical consideration, theoretical prediction. Theoretical physics, theoretical study, theoretical limit, theoretical interpretation, theoretical chemistry, theoretical perspective, theoretical method, theoretical pattern, theoretical result, theoretical value. Theory support, theory experiment, therefore support, thick layer, thin coat, thin film, think deeply, think differently, think solution, third wave. Third factor, third form, thorough search, thorough understanding, thoroughly test, thoroughly analyze, thought pattern, thought experiment, $1,000, tight fit. Tight junction, tight binding, tightly regulate, tightly control, timber industry, time delay, time show, time span, time flow, time lapse. Time pressure, timely fashion, tiny space, tiny difference, tip cell, tipping point, tissue sample, tissue type, tissue structure, toilet seat. Too ambiguous, too distant, too fast, too great, too weak, too obvious, too common, too often, too quiet, toolkit. Top right, top athlete, top level, top floor, top scientist, top student, top row, top third, total energy, total failure. Total funding, total current, totally blind, totally surprised, trace mineral, trace element, tracing system, track line, track analysis, trade-off. Trade center, trade growth, traditional diet, traditional role, traditional test, traditional cost, train stop, train hit, training session, training model. Training facility, transaction system, transcription factor, transfer process, transfer agreement, transfer energy, transfer function, transient effect, transition state, transition temperature. Translate text, translation software, transmission line, transmission route, transmit information, transmit power, transmit disease, transplant recipient, transport material, transport process. Travel channel, travel country, travel together, treat injury, treat patient, treat cancer, treatment center, treatment regimen, treatment result, treatment research. Tree planting, tremendous amount, tremendous progress, trial period, trial operation, trial membership, trigger event, trigger system, trigger signal, Trinity College. Tropical forest, tropical medicine, tropical disease, tropical storm, tropical forests, tropical zone, tropical landscape, true sense, true need, true mind. Truly want, trust relationship, trust information, try thing, try something, tube structure, tunnel vision, turn nasty, turn way, TV drama. Twin brother, type thing, type word, typical situation, ultimate limit, ultimately achieve, unanswered question, uncertainty principle, under agreement, under contract. Underestimate, underestimate impact, undergo transition, undergraduate course, undergraduate student, undergraduate program, underground network, underlying mechanism, underlying message, underlying condition. Underscore importance, understand world, understand word, understand well, understand idea, understand meaning, understanding ability, undue influence, unexpected find, unexpected result. Unexpected turn, unforgettable memory, unfortunately show, unidentified object, unified theory, unintended consequence, unique shape, unique character, unique sound, unique connection. Unit cell, universal method, universal use, university press, university program, university education, university hospital, university system, university park, university city. Unknown function, unmanned mission, unmet need, unprecedented opportunity, unrestricted use, unstable situation, unusual feature, unusual form, unusually high, unusually large, unusually long, unveiled plan, uphill battle, upper corner, upper bound, upper third, upper branch, urgently need, urine output, usage right. Use telescope, use machine, use drug, use expression, use framework, use phone, use facility, use phrase, use agreement, use brain. Useful thing, usual level, usual form, usually use, usually show, utility theory, utility model, vaccination campaign, vaccine development, vaccine research. Vaccine efficacy, vaccine safety, vague idea, valley floor, valuable insight, value evaluate, vanilla essence, variance model, variation pattern, variety show. Various strategy, various type, various chemical, various application, vast number, vast distance, vast network, vast scale, vast space, velocity difference. Velocity meter, venture capital, venture capitalist, verbal skill, verbal ability, verbal language, vertebrate species, vertical bar, very unlikely, very conservative. Very hot, very basic, very healthy, very helpful, very late, very narrow, very poor, very distinctive, very attractive, very creative. Very likely, very loud, very precise, very relaxed, very stable, very strange, very obvious, very rigid, very volatile, veterinary medicine. Videotape, view change, view angle, view image, view window, violate rule, violate law, violence prevention, violin string, viral illness. Viral strain, virtuous cycle, virus infection, virus vaccine, visible surface, visible image, visible range, visual imagery, visual disturbance, visual symbol. Visual area, visually stunning, visually appealing, vital clue, vitally important, vivid image, vivid memory, vivid color, voice signal, voice support. Voluntary action, voting system, vulnerable people, vulnerable group, vulnerable part, wagon wheel, waiting list, walk store, warehouse center, warm water. Warm afternoon, warm atmosphere, warm environment, warning letters, watch video, water loss, water intake, water resource, water molecule, water bottle. Water scarcity, water rise, water droplet, water resources, water resistance, water meter, wave function, wave amplitude, wave crest, wave frequency. Weak signal, weak strength, weak trend, weak field, wealthy woman, weapon development, weapons convention, weathered rock, web page, weak course. Weekly report, way risk, way benefit, weight increase, well explain, well feed, well look, well maintain, well treat, well educated. Well established, wet weather, wet paint, wet surface, white line, white woman, whole universe, whole population, whole idea, wide band. Wide application, wide selection, wide world, widely different, widely separated, widespread concern, widespread availability, wild type, wild grass, wild dog. Wildlife protection, win race, win game, win team, win time, wind flow, wind direction, wind farm, wind velocity, wind measurement. Winner prize, winter break, wireless communication, wireless device, wishful thinking, with ease, with pleasure, without change, without cause, without doubt. Without protection, without delay, woman face, wonderful opportunity, woody plant, word length, work closely, work efficiently, work license, work around. Work habit, work number, work outside, work progress, work alongside, work area, work direction, work state, work history, work station. Work philosophy, work space, working day, working memory, working system, working mechanism, world championships, world program, world foundation, world center. Worship God, want healing, wrap up, wrap around, right manuscript, right name, right history, right fiction, wrong decision, wrong way. Wrong hand, wrong person, wrongly assume, x-axis, year pass, year program, yellow fever, yellow box, yet no, yet do. Yield result, yield structure, yield to, yield curve, yield formation, yield prediction, yolk sac, young animal, young adulthood, young kid. Young designer, young assistant, young mind, young scholar, young scientist, youthful vigor, z-axis, zip file,